Hey guys, what's up? So back again at 3D Dragon class, and look at my brand new car. Looks so cool, right? It's so nice. And today we'll start from Villa because it is my home.
শেষ পর্যন্ত সেরা জিনিসটাই লাগিয়েছি।
Not add again, please. Actually, my dad is about to bring CP. So wait for it. Wait for it. Something crazy will happen. Actually, I do not kind of like the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks so classic. So it's time to go. Okay, so my current. So you wanna check my current speed? Watch this. We'll let the car move. Oh my god, jump! Ow, 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 ow. Okay, stop. Okay, fine. Alright, where we at? You. So we're going at fast today, and I should avoid hitting cars. Ah! I ran over someone. Time to ramp over by a truck. It's time to get flinged. Why am I not flinged? I'm not that much speed. I need to get speeder. I need to get more even faster. What I found. Let's make the city look so dirty. Dorito! I have an idea. How about we fly? Oh no, I'm running out of charge. This bus is pushing me. I should push him back. This is so fun. Okay. Let's get my car going. My car's stuck again. Come on! Go! Let's see how much speed can we get flinged. How about we go to the wrong side of the direction? Fling me, please. Yeah! How about we go to the wrong side of the direction? Watch this. try this one. This one sucks. And I hate this for a long time. Because it's a electric car. I hate this ad so much. Actually, I will make the world polluted.
카드를 넣어주세요.
Okay, let's go get flinged over. And there's party lights. Wow. When it matches the color, it should supposed to be matches the color. Jump! What? How isn't that possible? Whatever, who cares? I'll just go to the wrong way again. Okay, back, because someone is there at my door. Actually, ignore them because I wanna become flinged. Why do I fling those cars? Wait, I have an idea. How about we get flinged? Let's get on the highway. This is wasting my battery. You're jumping. Okay, now let's go. Come on, get fling, get fling. Yes! Yes! Oh no, battery power is very low. I got flinged by the water! Yay!
বাড়ি বানাবেন? আরে হয়ে যাবে। তার ডিজাইন করিয়েছেন?
No ads, please. I got flinged! Yay! But let's not do again. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe to help me reach 6 million subscribers. Goodbye.